Hey guys, and welcome. So today I'm doing a different format of video. It seems trouble does not elude me and I just can't seem to get away from dashcam accidents. So here is a few in the last 2 weeks that I have been witness to. Some of it will need explaining just because without explaining it, it kind of looks a bit funky. But yeah, if you like this sort of video, I can keep making more. Alright, so this one is a bit funky. I'm going to reverse down this driveway up here. So I'm indicating now, and then I turn my hazard lights on right around now because I need to reverse down that driveway. So I'm letting anyone know I'm about to do something funky. And then obviously the person behind me doesn't look at what I'm doing at all, so I'm already indicating now, and then my hazard lights are on right about now. So I go to reverse and they lock up and almost crash into the back of the ute. Lovely. You can see she's angry, but I've got my hazard lights on and I'm in reverse. I have every right to do that maneuver. But anyway, is what it is. Didn't crash into the ute, so no dramas. In this next clip, I'm on my way to work. I just grabbed a coffee and there's a stop line right there. You can kind of see it's a bit faded, but he just blasts straight through. And yeah, like a champion. This next one's way worse. That last one wasn't too bad. So I'm cruising up here. You can see the Commodore on the right. Keep an eye on him. Just kind of, yeah, just pull out in front of someone doing 60 k's an hour. That's lovely. Wasn't too bad though. Didn't crash. This next one, I don't know what this fucking idiot was thinking. So he takes up both the lanes. I go around him and he just cuts straight across. Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. I just kind of let it go, but super annoying. This one is like the universe is trying to take out the ute. So I'm going to merge. I've just got some fuel going to merge up onto this road. I'm waiting for traffic to go. I kind of creep forward a little bit, and I think that's maybe what caused this. And then, boom, you can see someone just smacked into the back of the ute. So I have a reverse cam as well. So going up. Trying to get, sorry about any background noise, trying to get onto the road here. This happened yesterday afternoon on the way home from work. So I creep forward, she must think I'm going, so she looks, and then, oops. So yeah, she didn't cause any damage to the back of the ute, caused like very minor damage to her car, scuffed her bonnet up, did bend her bonnet, so she's probably in for a new bonnet and paint correction. It's probably going to cost her a bit. But yeah, that was the little dramas over the last couple of weeks. If you like this is a short one, but if you like this sort of stuff, you know, ask for more and I'll try to provide a bit more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this, subscribe. If you don't. Peace. Finndawg out.